Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube tutorial on the More button, a key feature of the Nafini app. This button, located at the far right of the bottom tab bar in the app, unlocks a world of functionalities and settings. We're excited to guide you through it, but to keep things concise and digestible, we've divided the tutorial into two videos. In this first video, we'll cover the initial part of the More button features. We'll explore the layout, the search bar at the top of the page, and how to navigate to your personal profile from here. Also, we'll begin delving into one of the sections you'll find in this area. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the second part of our tutorial, where we'll dive deeper into the remaining features and functionalities of the More button. Let's get started and make the most out of your Nafini app experience. At the top of this page, there's a convenient search bar. Just below it, you'll find a tab displaying your profile photo, name, and username. Tapping on this tab will lead you directly to your personal profile. Beneath this, the page is organized into 4 distinct sections. It's important to note that the visibility of certain button links within these sections may vary, depending on the type of profile you are using. The first section, Booking Hub, primarily contains links for managing your bookings. Here, you can tap Manage Appointments to handle various booking-related tasks, such as canceling or rescheduling appointments. For clients, there's an additional link titled Booking Your Talent, which leads to our booking system. This feature allows clients to book talents, including share project details and make payments. For users operating as talents or having a support profile type, an additional link, the Talents Forum, appears below Manage Appointments. This link grants access to the Red Room Forum, an exclusive online platform available only to talent community members and the Nafini support team. The Red Room Forum is a vibrant space for talents to engage in discussions, start new topics, or follow existing ones. It's a safe and confidential environment for talents to share experiences, seek advice, and discuss various aspects of their work. This forum also allows them to voice complaints while maintaining professional and discreet communication. Lastly, there's a help link for those who wish to contact our support team. And that wraps up the first part of our tutorial on the More button in the Nafini app. We've covered the basics, from accessing your personal profile to an overview of the first section you'll find in this area. I hope this has been informative and has enhanced your understanding of the app's functionality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Don't hesitate to drop your questions or feedback in the comments section below. Make sure to secure your success with the cherry on top with Nafini. See you in the next video.
Nafini selection.